Hi there, I'm Sandhya Manne, an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. I've been practicing and teaching Zentangle for about 10 years now. I had always been artistically inclined. I enjoy all kinds of art forms and crafts. However, in 2010, I remember living with my husband in the US. He was working there, and with our 3-year-old daughter and our newborn son, my hands were full with everyday chores, and I could barely create any art form. So you can imagine living in a new country with two little kids and no help, very few friends, and barely anyone among those sharing similar interests in art. It was extremely difficult and stressful. However, 4-hour Zentangle workshop at a local art association changed my life forever. I've been captivated ever since because it was the perfect thing that I needed to keep my creativity alive, to connect with myself, and to get into a quick Zen mode. I enjoyed creating it, I loved what I created, and in all that motherhood mayhem, it gave me instant gratification, satisfaction, self confidence, and absolute Zen. I've been learning, sharing, and creating Zentangles ever since and have been part of many art shows both in the USA and in India. And many of my artworks are in private collections in USA, Canada, and in India. I sell my artworks through my website, my studio, art shows, and commissions. In 2011, I got certified as a Zentangle teacher, making me India's first CZT. So now I could share this beautiful art form with you all to get that instant gratification, satisfaction, self-confidence, and absolute Zen. Since then, I have taught over thousands of people both in the US, India, and across the world through community colleges, art associations, schools, corporate sessions, private sessions, international online classes, group classes here at my studio, and I also collaborate with other artists and do Zentangle in their workspace, in their studios. So continuing on that, I am now going to start teaching how to videos here on YouTube. All my artworks are original in its theme, design, treatment, and execution, and I like to explore ideas, materials, and presentation, and you can find that in all of my art collection. The same goes with my classes as well. I'm always planning on new techniques and new ideas to teach. I'm also thinking on how to make it easily doable for my students. So in this channel, you will find videos on how to create Zentangle on the go, learn to draw tangles the mindful way, tips and tricks that can be implemented right away, exploring new art supplies, behind the scene workings of my upcoming projects, and art collection updates, and also a whole lot of Zentangle fun. So come join the party by subscribing to the channel. So now I have a question to ask. Tell me, what gives you that instant gratification? Is that a chocolate cake? Or is it chatting with your kids? Or is it time with your friends? Or is it a walk on the beach? Post below this video on the comment section and let me know what makes you happy. So while you're there, don't forget to give a quick like to share your support. Well then, I'll see you on my next video. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.